So we're changing the light of the Ford Focus 6. All you just need is your Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to be using this small one. Just you need this to lose this and this part to take out the bulb from the tail light. So after taking out the screws, gently pull this out. Yeah, pull it out. Can turn this. Then this is the brake light. So we're going to twist this anti-clockwise, then pull out. So we're changing this bulb. So change the bulb already. Then you insert back into the tail lights and turn clockwise. Yeah, should be fine. Then return it back. Making sure that this pin sits. This pin sits at this side and this side of the tail lights. Then you tighten it back.